Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Cassidy, otherwise known as Curls and Eyeliner. If you're new to my channel and this is your first video you're seeing, congrats on clicking to view the video. Now do me a favor and hit this button right here. That little red button down there, click it. Yep. And then click the bell next to it so that you get notified every time that I upload, okay? Sounds good. Now, in today's video, we are going to learn how I get my Twistout results. This is my first ever hair tutorial, guys, but this was like my most requested video to date, so enjoy and leave me a thumbs up if you like it and find it helpful, okay? Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up, everybody? So I am starting on freshly washed hair. I use the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk shampoo and conditioner, and then I use the Shea Moisture High Porosity Deep Conditioner. And then I am going in and separating my hair into 4 sections because it is easier to work in sections. So I'm taking this back section here and spraying my Beyond the Zone protein cocktail into it. And I like to use this in lieu of doing a protein treatment every 4 to 6 weeks. I use this every wash or every style day. I'm taking the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner now, and I am saturating that section of hair. And then I am going to squeeze and rake this product into my hair to make sure every strand is evenly coated. So now I'm going in with the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk, and I am taking a rather healthy amount. And once again, I am squeezing and raking that into that section. Taking my blend of oils, I use 1/3 Jamaican black castor oil and 2/3 grapeseed oil, squeezing that in, and then taking my Denman brush and detangling. Now this is just me finishing up doing that to all the sections, so that was my last section. So now I'm going to take my Eco Styler olive oil gel, and I am separating this back section, and then I'm going to saturate the subsection in gel, and then I'm going to split with my fingers and begin twisting, and I'm just doing simple 2-strand twists. I'm going to do this across the entire back section of my head, just a loose single 2-strand twist. Oh, that was a tongue twister. And that's what the back looks like. So now for the front section, I like a nice deep side part. I always part my hair on the left side of my head. And there's that nice clean part. And then what I'm gonna do is I am going to flat twist these front sections, so that way they are more stretched and more defined. Just detangling really quickly before I twist. Make sure that I am twisting on nice smooth hair. We don't want too much frizz, if any. And then to flat twist, it is just like French braiding. If you know how to French braid, you can flat twist. So as you twist, you just pick up smaller sections of hair and twist those in. That's the best way I know to explain it. It was a lot of trial and error for me to learn how to do it, so I don't know if I could teach anybody. Then as I get to the loose ends, I'm just going through and making sure that they are fully detangled before I twist them down. Like I said, we're trying to get the least amount of frizz as possible with these twists. Now I'm just going to fast forward through this next section. I'm just completing the same thing. I did 3 on each side. And if you notice, my parts aren't perfect, and that is because it is easier to get rid of imperfect parts than it is to get rid of perfect parts. And then once I twist this up, I will tie my hair up and I will leave these twists in for 2 to 3 days just to make sure they are 100% dry. So this is the finished product. I will see you guys in a couple of days. Alright guys, it's been about 3 days and I am back untying my hair here. And they are 100% dry. They have shrunken up a little bit, but you know shrinkage means healthy hair. So I am using my oil mixture and slapping that all over my head to make sure that we can avoid frizz. And then I am going to take the twist down. So I twist in the opposite direction and then I pull them apart. Trying to get to the best angle for you guys to see me. My hands are so big, I'm sorry. There we go. You saw that one good. Twist in the opposite direction, pull it apart. And now for the flat twist, I take my time a little more because the fun part about the flat twist is they already are separated once you start to untwist them. So you want to make sure you're being gentle with that piece that's letting go, if that made any sense to you. So now we're going to go through and we're going to separate the twist. And what I do is I just run my finger down the length of the twist and I separate it where it naturally wants to separate. If they are properly moisturized, they will separate on their own. You do not need to pull them apart, because pulling them where they don't want to separate is going to cause frizz. And like I said, we want to have the least amount of frizz as possible. Now, my twists in the front were kind of loose, so I did go back and retwist those later on that day and let them sit for a while. But, you know, it is what it is. So I'm now taking my trusty dusty pick, and I'm going in at the roots, and I am shaking it and pulling. And that is giving me volume and helping to kind of erase those parts in there. Taking my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Edge Control, and I am slicking down those edges, and then I take some giant bobby pins and I stick them straight up across the side of my hair, and that helps my hair on the edges to fall exactly where I want it to fall. My hair is good and short, so you know, I kind of have to manipulate it to do what I want it to do. You feel me? Now I am just fluffing my hair to my liking. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.